cat ladies and cat gentlemen. Welcome to this installment of Ask a Cat Lady. This is Henry and Matilda, and we're coming to you today from Chicago. This week's question comes from Elizabeth and also comes from Laurel, and they want to know why cats bury their food. Sometimes kitties, after they're done with their meal, or if they're not done with their meal, they do this little, almost like they're in the litter box. Matilda, show them how you do it. No. If I don't like the food on my plate, I'll cover it and hope that you can take a hint. I don't like meat that is subpar. You cover food too with a napkin when you are dining out and you are done. We all want a meal that is 5 stars, 'cause in the kitchen we all know how much you love me and the lengths that you would go to please me. When I eat my meats, I will bury. Why I do this, it is a mystery. No one knows, but there are pending theories on the internet. So if I cover food I was noshing on, it might offer me some protection from scavengers and enemies. 'Cause in the jungle we don't know when our next meal will be, and you can't get your gazelle to go. Oh, oh, oh. So if I could, I'd save it for later, put it in the refrigerator, but I don't have thumbs or Tupperware. Put it in a refrigerator. This is genius. Oh. Refrigerator. Matilda, you have long hair.